Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Crafting with Mary, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. I decided to do something today. I know many have gotten the birds, and I know several of them did not have sneak peeks. Some of them have had first looks. I have not seen many of them. I haven't really looked too much either, but I just wanted to show all of the birds that have come over the last month. We've been, in a good way, bombarded with birds. And I have all of them here, and I just wanted to do, I'm not going to, go into all the fine detail that you do in a sneak peek or things like that, typical unboxings, but I just wanted to do a quick video of all of the recent birds that have come in. This was the first one, special delivery. This one was created during the Richard Lorenz event in January, February. He created this as the event was going on, and Diamond Art Club sped through getting this one out, which is really cool. With this one, you can customize and put your name on here if you'd like, which is really cool. But here we go. Let me see. I'm going to move that up just so you can get a quick look at the whole thing. So this one was really special for those of us that were in that event. It was really cool to be able to see that as he went and created that. Here are the drills. Look at that bright green one. That's really bright. So those are all of the drill colors. This is a 65 by 87 centimeter. So it is quite large. I would say it's a smaller size of large maybe these days, it seems like, but so there's the drills, all those colors, and we have, this one has 76 colors. It does have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs, and then it has, the one that begins with L, I believe that is a crystal. So crystal, or Diamond Art Club calls it an iridescent, but it is the same thing as other places call it crystal, I do believe. So there is special delivery. Quick look at that. And I'm going to, let's see, I didn't think about how to get these out of the way, so I'm just going to roll that like that real quick and set it off to the side. And then we have Ida's Little Flockers. This was, I believe that I have them in the right order of what as they were released. So here is this one. She's so cute. I love the colors. Love those purples and yellows. So pretty, so quirky, little upside down bird. She's just adorable. This one is a 70 by 93, so a lot of these are very close in size. This one is, I think, a little bit bigger, 70 by 93 again, and it has 77 colors. We have 1, 2, 3 ABs, and 1, 2, 3 fairy dust. So again, Ida's Little Flockers. Oh, I didn't show the drills for that one. Here are Ida's Little Flockers drills. Bunch of yellows in there, purples. That one's gonna be fun. Well, they're all gonna be fun, so that one aside. Then we have Nigel, a very proper bird. And let me move that one up a little. He's standing, it looks like he's standing on a bird cage. There we go, and then there always seems to be those yellow flowers, and I just love that. There's a nice butterfly in this one. He has his little vest on, very proper looking, proud. Does have his little ring coming out. And this is a 65 by 87. So again, close in size. It has 80 colors, so there's a little bit more colors in this one. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 AB. And it doesn't look like any fairy dust in this one. So we have that. And then here are, there we go. Make sure I had the right pack of drills. Here are the drills for this one. A lot of dark colors in this one, it looks like. There are some of the yellows and oranges in there as well. Keep my stuff in order here. Sorry for the noise. Nigel, a very proper bird. And then we have Priscilla. Give you a quick look at her. Again, love the purples and yellows. She's got some blues in there. And she is 65 by 83, and she has 84 colors. 1, 2 AB and 1, 2, 3 fairy dust. She's got a cute little worm up there with an umbrella. Dragonfly up on that flower up there, if you can see that up there. Very cute. Let's see, here are her drills. Lots of color in there, a lot of pretty bright colors for Priscilla. And then the newest one that has been shipped is Ruffle My Feathers. And this is a wide one. So let's see if I can. This is, let me go over, let's see, 129.9 by 50.6 centimeters. And it has 76 colors. Let's see, we have 1, 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust. So I am going to start over here. And we're going to go this way with this one. My drills are going to be pulled out. I will move those. Get a good look at this one. And there we go. Again, the nice yellow flowers, which I just love that seems to be in pretty much every painting. I think is some nice yellow flowers, which I like. So again, another really cute birds. And here are the drills for this one. More of those bright yellows. I always see bright yellows pop. There's some pinks and reds in there. So there is Ruffle My Feathers. And that is the most recent birds that have been shipped. There was another new one that came out yesterday. Today is Sunday that I'm filming. And so there was another one that came out which has not shipped yet. So, lots of new birds, and I collect them all, so I do have them all. I do have Agnes, the hotly sought after bird that is hard to find. She is one hot mess. So I do enjoy working on these as well, and as well as other kits too, but I do like my birds. These are one of the collections that I do have all of his birds, all of the flock. So there you have it, a quick little video of all of the new ones. I did not go into nitty-gritty detail, but just kind of a quick view of all of them. Let me know if you have them or getting them or have worked on them. If you like the birds, don't like the birds, let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, evening, morning, whatever it is where you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.